Hey, we're back out working on the boat. Look what we found. We found some really dirty drive oil. You can see that draining out. So there's a screw right under here if you're going to change the drive oil. See where that's coming out right there? Right here. Blade screwdriver, big blade screwdriver. And then you take that one up above here out so that you can get at it. Okay, so what we did was we took the upper plug out that lets the seal off so that it comes out down here. You can see the oil's very dirty. Normally this is light green. This is going to drain for quite a while, so just sit back and enjoy. We're going to stop the video. We're not going to rush this for the hour. We're going to let this thing drain. But look at that oil come out of there, and look at how dirty that is, huh? That's dirty oil. We'll show you the oil and how we put the oil in. And this is the Bravo 3, but you change the oil on all of them the same way. So like and subscribe, post notifications on. We'll show you how to fill it in a minute. Alright, so drive oil is still draining really slow still. But remember these we took out? You look real close. I don't know if you can see it on the camera there, but there is a little gasket right here. Gonna dig those out and put new ones on. If you want to have your drive leak like this one was leaking a little, always use your gaskets over. If you don't want it to leak, always use new gaskets. Now I'll show you why here as soon as I peel this one loose. See how these all crumble? Yeah, that's all crumbly. That's just terrible. So once you get it off, it should look like this, pristine. All right. So let's do them both like that. Get a screwdriver. Sometimes you gotta coax these with a little screwdriver. Again, nasty. All right, nasty, nasty. Cleaned it off. So, next thing you do, I always keep an assortment. You're all the same, no worries. See the gasket? Boom. Look at how nice. Goes right on. Very good. It'll go right in the hole. Perfect. Once again, though, these gaskets, these are the gaskets. One-time use, okay? So we got those done. We'll set those over here, ready to go. You can see we got two different magnet lengths, all right? We got the longer one on top, so we'll put them back that way. That is a magnet. See, it's hard to tell here, but see, it's a magnet. See how it sticks together? All right. All right, hey, we'll be back when we go to pump the drive oil in. We'll get set up for that and show you how to do that. Hey, welcome back. So this is pretty much done draining. You can see not much comes out. Remember, we got the two screws, got our washers preloaded, blade screwdriver to put them on. You can remember now there's two different lengths. Well, they're basically the same, but they're two different lengths. The longer one was on top. So you can see how this will go in. But the first thing we're going to do is we'll put this in with this pump. See the pump? So this way we can put this in. And we got some older lube. They're all the same, but just this is older can. Hey, you can see the fluid go up the pipe. See that fluid up the pipe? There's the pump. I'll move that down so you can see the pump a little. And you're going to pump till it comes out the top. This way you don't get air in your oil and you fill it all the way full. Okay, see what you got there? See how it's starting to come out? That means she's full, all right? That's full when that starts to come out. So let's get you back here. So it's full. So we look at it, the longer one. You can see if I pump this, that comes out more and more. I just want to put this up against there and get it started nice. Get started nice and run it in. Just run it in good and tight. The reason you want that good and tight is you want to pull a vacuum. When you pull this off, you want to have a vacuum so that it doesn't pour out like crazy at the bottom, although it's going to come out somewhat profusely, all right? So I'm gonna get this open. Then what we got to do is we got to turn this loose, all right? Make sure you have your plug ready. You want your plug in the ready. Put your plug in the ready. You want to put this, turn this. You'll feel it when it's loose. The key here is make sure your gasket's all the way up on the threaded head and just go like this. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's got it started and run it up. Get it good and tight, you're all set. You can see you spill a little oil. Easiest way to do it, I just suck it up with a rag. You can see it's not very much. You don't lose a lot. There you go. You take this and take this, pump it into the can. All right, just let that sit there for a minute. What we'll do is we'll go up in the boat. We'll fill the reservoir up above. Since we got a couple cans of that to fill, put the rest of this in here. You can see I got up above, I got a little oil coming out. Always wipe it down best you can because you want to see if it leaks at all. Now, if a little comes out down here, a couple drops, don't worry so much because around the head of the screw, there's a bunch of oil. That oil is going to come through. And you're going to see that oil come through. But there you go. Let's go up top. I'll show you how to fill the reservoir. All right. So this little reservoir here is your drive oil. You can see it's totally empty. It feeds over to the other one, so we're going to fill the rest of that up. I'll be careful putting this in. I don't want to spill it. Oh, look at that. It's a shade over, but she'll fill. We're going to be just fine there. don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. There's the Bravo 3, put the oil in. I tell you what, after that, you know how to put your oil in any Mercruiser drive. They're all done the same. Some have the reservoir, some don't, okay? Don't be surprised if you don't have one. The older ones don't, all right? Some of the small boats don't either. So like and subscribe, post notifications on. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.